In a move that could impact American consumers, companies are preparing to pass on President Donald Trump's tariffs by increasing prices on their goods. Companies like Procter Gamble, which produces household basics such as Bounty paper towel and Tide detergent, have warned of lower earnings and upcoming price hikes on U.S. products. Starting next week, P&G plans to raise prices on about a quarter of its product line in the U.S. to offset the cost of new tariffs, with mid-single-digit price increases across categories. This trend could strain consumers' wallets in the coming quarters as more companies follow suit. In fact, since Trump's April 2 Liberation Day tariff announcements, consumer goods, food and drink giants like P&G, Nestle, Kimberly-Clark, and PepsiCo have experienced significant stock declines, while the benchmark S&P 500 index has risen. The challenge for companies navigating these increased tariffs could ripple down to everyday consumers. As Bill George, former chairman and CEO of Medtronic and executive education fellow at Harvard Business School, puts it, you're going to see companies like Walmart, Amazon, and Best Buy forced to pass price increases to consumers. According to the Reuters Global Tariff Tracker, companies anticipate losing a combined $7.1 billion to $8.3 billion for the full year due to these tariffs. While some companies, such as carmakers like GM and Ford, have absorbed the cost so far, many others are preparing to pass it on to consumers in the coming months. Economists and analysts predict that inflation may not be felt until the fourth quarter or first quarter of next year, as companies deplete their inventory before increasing prices. However, some companies like EssilorLuxottica and Swiss watchmaker Swatch have already raised prices, with minimal impact on sales. High-end brands appear to be less sensitive to price increases, as customers seeking luxury items may choose to purchase abroad or delay their purchases. In essence, the ongoing trade war is set to drive up costs for consumers, potentially straining household budgets and raising concerns about inflation in the coming quarters.